I'm Emerald Robinson, and in this What Is video, we're going to examine earthquakes. An earthquake is an event in which the earth suddenly shakes, trembles, or rocks. Earthquakes are very common. About 900,000 happen worldwide every year. To understand how an earthquake happens, we need to review plate tectonics. Geologists think that the top layers of the earth, called the crust and the mantle, are broken into large pieces or plates. The places where these plates meet are called faults and are where most earthquakes occur. This is because tectonic plates move very slowly at a rate of about 1 to 2 inches per year. When one plate is pushed beneath another, or when two plates move alongside of one another, friction can cause them to become stuck together. When the force that moves the plates is enough to overcome the force holding them together, the plates can break apart suddenly, sending shock waves through the earth. The place where the earthquake is actually generated is often hundreds of feet below the surface, and is called the quake's focus. The point on the surface of the earth directly above the focus is called its epicenter, and usually is where the earthquake is the strongest and where most damage occurs. Seismologists, scientists who study and try to predict earthquakes, used to use the Richter scale to compare the size of earthquakes. But since 1979, the more precise moment magnitude scale has been used to measure the strength of the waves that move through the earth during an earthquake. The stronger the quake, the higher the number. The most severe earthquake on the MMS earned a 9.5. Earthquakes are changing the face of our planet one shake, rattle,
How to survive an earthquake. Know what to do and what not to do if a big quake hits. You will need a safe place, sturdy shoes, a fire extinguisher, and a flashlight. Optional, work gloves, and a helmet or a hard hat. Step 1. Extinguish all flames and cigarettes. If you're indoors, move away from windows and any unsecured, tall, rolling, or heavy furniture and equipment. Step 2. Drop to your knees and curl up. This minimizes injuries by making yourself a smaller target. Next, cover your head, neck, and chest by crawling under something sturdy like a table. Finally, hold on to your cover. If there's nothing around you to scoot under, cover your head with your hands. Stay put until the tremors stop. Forget the old advice about standing in a doorway. In most modern buildings, doorways are no stronger than any other area. Step 3. If you're outdoors, get away from buildings, walls, power lines, and trees. If that's not possible, get inside a building. The worst place to be standing is next to a building where you could be hit by falling debris. Step 4. If you're driving, ease off the accelerator and come to a stop slowly. Avoid getting stuck on or under an overpass or bridge. Place the car in park and remain inside until the tremors stop. Step 5. When the shaking stops, put on sturdy shoes before you move around. If you have work gloves and a helmet or hard hat, put those on too. Step 6. Exit the building or car. Check to see if anyone is injured. Watch out for hazards that might fall from overhead or that might be on the ground in front of you. Step 7. Once back in your home, don't light matches, a lighter, or your stove until you're sure you have no gas leaks. Use a flashlight to check for broken pipes, cracks in walls, loose light fixtures, and damaged electrical wires. Open closet and cabinet doors carefully. Contents may have shifted. Step 8. Anticipate aftershocks, which can continue for days after an earthquake. Did you know? Geologists estimate a 20 to 40% chance of a major earthquake hitting New York City by 2056.